90% of people study English for years but still can't speak it. Why? Because they keep learning but never speak. Today, we'll teach you 90 essential English sentences through 3 stories. Let's learn English together through these stories. Listen carefully and then read along with me. Now, let's start speaking English. Part 1, Morning in the Kitchen. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I stretch my arms in bed. I stretch my arms in bed. The sun shines through my window. The sun shines through my window. I put on my warm slippers. I put on my warm slippers. I walk to the kitchen slowly. I walk to the kitchen slowly. I open the fridge for milk. I open the fridge for milk. I take out a fresh egg. I take out a fresh egg. I heat up the frying pan. I heat up the frying pan. The butter melts in the pan. The butter melts in the pan. I crack the egg carefully. I crack the egg carefully. It makes a soft sound. It makes a soft sound. I toast 2 slices of bread. I toast 2 slices of bread. I pour coffee into my cup. I pour coffee into my cup. The kitchen smells very good. The kitchen smells very good. I sit at the wooden table. I sit at the wooden table. I read the news on my phone. I read the news on my phone. I eat my breakfast slowly. I eat my breakfast slowly. I drink my warm coffee. I drink my warm coffee. I wash my plate in the sink. I wash my plate in the sink. I dry it with a towel. I dry it with a towel. I feel ready for the day. I feel ready for the day. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water. I wash my face with cool water. I comb my hair in the mirror. I comb my hair in the mirror. I pick out a clean shirt. I pick out a clean shirt. I find my keys on the desk. I find my keys on the desk. I put on my blue shoes. I put on my blue shoes. I grab my heavy backpack. I grab my heavy backpack. I open the front door wide. I open the front door wide. I step into the bright morning. I step into the bright morning. First 30 sentences down. How was it? Type 1 if it was easy, or 2 if it was tricky. Let me know in the comments. Ready for the next one? Let's go to the supermarket. Follow me. Part 2, Shopping for Dinner. I went to the supermarket today. I went to the supermarket today. I pushed a large shopping cart. I pushed a large shopping cart. The store was very bright inside. The store was very bright inside. I walked down the first aisle. I walked down the first aisle. I found a bag of fresh rice. I found a bag of fresh rice. I picked out some red apples. I picked out some red apples. They looked sweet and juicy. They looked sweet and juicy. I looked for some green vegetables. I looked for some green vegetables. I bought carrots and lettuce. I bought carrots and lettuce. I passed by the bakery section. I passed by the bakery section. I smelled the hot, fresh bread. I smelled the hot, fresh bread. I put a loaf in my basket. I put a loaf in my basket. I chose a carton of cold milk. I chose a carton of cold milk. I walked to the dairy area. I walked to the dairy area. I grabbed a block of yellow cheese. I grabbed a block of yellow cheese. I saw some cookies on the shelf. I saw some cookies on the shelf. I decided to buy one pack. I decided to buy one pack. The store played soft, calm music. The store played soft, calm music. I visited the fruit section again. I visited the fruit section again. I picked some ripe bananas there. I picked some ripe bananas there. I carried my heavy basket carefully. I carried my heavy basket carefully. I went to the checkout lane. I went to the checkout lane. I waited for my turn there. I waited for my turn there. The clerk scanned all my items. The clerk scanned all my items. I paid with my silver card. I paid with my silver card. She gave me a paper receipt. She gave me a paper receipt. I packed everything into a bag. I packed everything into a bag. I walked out of the store. I walked out of the store. The air felt cool and fresh. The air felt cool and fresh. I walked home with my food. I walked home with my food. Great job! You're getting into the rhythm. For the last part, the park, do you think you can read all 30 sentences without stopping? Comment, I can if you're up for the challenge. Let's go! Part 3, A Walk in the Park. I arrived at the city park. I arrived at the city park. I walked on the stone path. I walked on the stone path. The trees had green, soft leaves. The trees had green, soft leaves. I saw flowers in the garden. I saw flowers in the garden. A bird sang on a branch. A bird sang on a branch. I found a wooden park bench. I found a wooden park bench. I sat down to take a rest. I sat down to take a rest. I watched the clouds move high. I watched the clouds move high. The wind blew across my face. The wind blew across my face. I saw a boy with a ball. I saw a boy with a ball. He kicked it to his father. He kicked it to his father. They played in the open field. They played in the open field. I felt very calm and happy. I felt very calm and happy. I stood up to walk again. I stood up to walk again. I reached the small blue pond. I reached the small blue pond. Many ducks swam in the water. Many ducks swam in the water. I threw some bread to them. I threw some bread to them. They quacked and ate the food. They quacked and ate the food. I walked toward the tall gate. I walked toward the tall gate. I saw an old man reading. I saw an old man reading. He sat under a big oak tree. He sat under a big oak tree. I kept walking past the gate. I kept walking past the gate. I heard the sound of cars. I heard the sound of cars. The city life was very busy. The city life was very busy. I passed by a small cafe. I passed by a small cafe. I smelled the strong, dark coffee. I smelled the strong, dark coffee. I continued my long walk home. I continued my long walk home. The sun started to go down. The sun started to go down. The sky turned a pretty orange. The sky turned a pretty orange. I reached my home at last. I reached my home at last. 90 sentences done. Which one was the hardest to say today? Let me know in the comments, and I'll help you out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for more practice.